The China Blue. It's mysterious, sweet, but weird, and it looks like it's been made by a serial killer. Firstly, I promise you I'm not trying to poison you, and this is not made out of de-icer, although I do have some flayed hitchhikers hanging up in my cellar. Okay, creepy jokes to one side, the ingredient lineup. Within Lychee Liqueur, which is called Kwai Feh, blue Curacao, fresh grapefruit juice, and this fruit which is called a Rambutan. And it's not a sea urchin or somebody with a yeast infection, so get your mind out the gutter. This is the first blue drink on this channel, and there is a bit of snobbery towards blue drinks in the cocktail world, but let's try and break down the walls to people's perceptions. Okay, let's kick this off by adding 1 ounce, that's 30ml, of Kwai Feh or any lychee liqueur of your choice. Follow up, 1 ounce, that's 30ml, of blue Curacao. And lastly add 4 ounces, that's 120ml, of fresh grapefruit juice. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. The history of this drink, it arrived on the scene in Japan apparently in the 1990s and is very popular in the Far East. Strain into a champagne flute or a sling glass and feel free to add ice to the latter of those glassware choices. Okay, now the trick with this is make a slice in the Rambutan and then just break it open. These are lychee-like fruits which you can get from Southeast Asian shops, and then balance this on top of the glass. I base this garnish on the Shanghai 75 from Lucy Wong's in London, and make sure you check this place out, especially if you like dim sum and cocktails. Hey, taste wise, if you like sweet drinks, this is definitely one for you. I'm quite liking this, and it's sort of grown on me. It reminds me a lot of the tropical drinks you had growing up. It reminds me a bit like Mbongo. Remember that from back in the day? Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy and have a couple more and behave yourselves.